update today from manufacturer and ATA member MaxiTRANS on how they've kept their operations going to support customers and keep Aussies employed during the coronavirus pandemic.
Hi everyone, it's Jenkins from MaxiTRANS. Hope you're all well today. Just a quick note to talk about the effect of COVID-19 on our industry, and in particular how everyone's just worked so hard in support of our communities, our employees, our customers and our suppliers. This is a quick message to say thank you to our customers, to our suppliers, to all of our employees. It's been a tough time, it's going to continue to be a tough time, but we've all shown over the last 8 to 12 weeks just how important this industry is for our community at large. Particularly, I'd like to call out the government incentive programs that have been underway, the JobKeeper and also the accelerated depreciation incentive programs. They've been a godsend for us as suppliers to the transport industry. The combination of the two of them have been fantastic for all of us. Most importantly, it's enabled us to keep our operations going to support our customers, keep food on the shelves for people, and also to enable us to keep people employed, which is really a fundamental thing at this point in time. Thank you to all of our customers, all of our suppliers, our staff. It's going to get better at some point in time. Not sure when it will, but it will get better at some point in time. In relation to the ATA, we do support the ATA's desire and lobbying to extend that incentive because it has been really, really important to our industry, and hopefully we can get it extended. But regardless, stay safe everyone, look after yourselves, look after your people, look after your families. Most importantly, make sure you go home safe every day, and looking forward to seeing everyone again soon.
Authorised by Ben Maguire for the Australian Trucking Association, Canberra.